Guys, and welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how can you log into Grindr. For those of you who are wondering what is an Grindr, Grindr is a location based social networking and online dating application for gay, bisexual, transgender and other people. Now, and to log into Grindr app, open Grindr on a device. Now you may continue with the email address or continue with the phone number. Choose the option which you like to have. Now enter your mobile number if you are continuing with your number, then enter the password to your account and click on login. Now to continue with the email, enter your email to your account and enter the password to your account and click on login. Now if you want to save password, then click on save password highlighted in blue, and if you don't want to, then simply click on never, and after that you have successfully logged into your Grindr account. Thank you for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.